fly away, yeah? You fly away, you better fly away. Or else nothing. I love animals. It's almost, it's ridiculous. That's why super sports are not for everyone, because damn it, man, it hurts. It hurts my wrists. Are you with a pressure switch? A pressure switch. A pressure switch. All right, that's it. Pressure switch. They do supply you with a pressure switch. Oh my god, this is really hard for me to say. Anyway, you guys get the point. Oh my god, look at this flyby. This is the worst. Look at how reflective this is. This is just ridiculous that we're still using these on some roads. The reflection on this just shows you how grippy it is, which is -10. And the scale goes to -10, so you can see how grippy this is. I keep honking, thinking that this is the damn indicators. They have switched controls on these PCX. Some of the new bikes on the Honda, they have switched controls. Because that's exactly what it does. Hello? Hello? So like I was saying before I got this. Hello. Almost looks like the British countryside, doesn't it? Very similar without that. Love to have it. Yeah, that little red, man. No probs, man. Just go through the red. Vais bué alta. Ai. Foda-se. Vais tipo na lua. In order for me to do a review. What's good is they give me two. So one of them will actually be specific. Foda-se, puta que pariu, meu. Este gajo veio ao telemóvel. Foda-se. Acorda, caralho. Foda-se.